Hello guys, welcome to my Android Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix no audio device is installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if you are facing the issue no audio device is installed and there is no audio in your laptop or desktop, then I will show you how to fix this issue. Click on this search and type here control panel. You can see here control panel. Just click on control panel. Here you can see your view by. You just need to select as small icon. After that you need to click on the sound. In this you need to select your speaker. If you are connected headphone, just click on the headphone. Just right click on that, click on properties, click on the levels tab. Here you need to maximize this volume. After that you need to come to the advanced. You need to uncheck this option, allow the applications to take exclusive control of this device. After that just click on apply and just click OK. After that close this window. Again you need to click on the search and type your device manager. Click on device manager. Here you can see here sound, video and game controllers. Double click on that. Here you need to select your audio device. Just right click on that. Click on update driver. Click on browse my computer for the drivers. Click on let me pick from a list of available drivers. Here you need to select the drivers and click on next. After that just close this window. Once you need to restart your laptop or desktop. After restarting your laptop or desktop, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix no audio devices installed on your Windows 10 or Windows 11. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.